we are going to talk about colors. This is A1 level. So if you're a beginner, you want to learn French, maybe you want to go for TCF exam or a TEF exam, it depends on your exam, but you need French for that exam. This is the right place for you to be, because here I will teach everything about French from basic level to advanced level. So today we are going to be looking at les couleurs for A1 level. Okay, now let's look at the most important colors in French. Nous avons ici rouge. This is rouge. Rouge. Nous avons bleu. You can repeat it after me because pronunciation is very important. Don't forget that in your exam they're speaking, so you need to pronounce those things very. So the way I'm saying it, try to say it also the same way. So you have rouge. This is bleu, bleu, bleu. This is jaune, jaune. When you see AR, this is AU, is O, so jaune, jaune. Don't forget to be looking at the meaning here. Nous avons noir. This is noir. Nous avons blanc, blanc. Nous avons vert, vert. Nous avons violet, violet. Nous avons orange. Nous avons rose, marron, gris. You understand? So those are the most important colors in French language. Now let me show you this also. You can see this is a site where we have everything about TCF preparation. You understand? So I'm on the colors page. If you come on this platform, you can see you have A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. You understand? So you have different topics here that you can choose. So I'm on colors. See, la famille, nous avons les couleurs, nous avons les nombres, la maison, and here you can write a topic that you want, and then you search for that topic. You understand? So coming down here, you can read the instruction, then come down and learn key vocabulary. For example, I have rouge here again, rouge, which means what? Red. You understand? Then there's a sentence here which is le sang est rouge, as the blood is red. So now we have what? Bleu, which is blue. L'océan est bleu. So this platform will help you to teach you everything you need to know about French. There's vocabulary, there's conjugation, there's grammar, there's exercise, a lot of things on this platform that I will be revealing as we are moving on. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, do so that anytime I upload a new video, you get a notification. Now when you come down on this platform, you can come to a place where you have what? Expression idiomatique, very important. So look at expression idiomatique. As A1 students, you may not understand this, but people that are advanced, people that are in B1, B2, C1, you need to know what is expression idiomatique, because the way it will be written or the way they will say it will not be the same way, or will not be the same interpretation they are going to give it to it in whether in French or in English. For example, when I say voir la vie en rose, you see, voir la vie en rose. So voir la vie en rose, if I want to interpret, I will say look at life in what? This is color. This is a color. Excusez-moi. So if you take my lesson now, you see rose there, which is pink. So will I say look at life in pink? You understand? But look at the meaning here. Être optimiste et voir le bon côté des choses. Just look at things at the good side. That's the meaning of it. But look at the expression here. That's what we call it, expression idiomatique. So there are things you need to learn also. They are on the platform. And then when you come down here, you can see vocabulary quiz. You can do this one like a quiz for see. They have de quelle couleur est le ciel quand il fait beau? You have options that you can choose. You see, then you can do all those things. Get you to the end. You can click on what? check answers, and then they will correct it for you. You understand? So this platform, what I'm revealing to you, I have the link with me. It's a private site, so I have the link with me. If you need it, you can just contact me and I will send it to you. And also, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group where we work every week, where I teach students, especially on speaking oral. I know that that's one of the difficult aspects of the preparation, so I have a class where I teach students the speaking aspect. So let me move back to my lesson. So we are done with vocabulary aspects. Then let's look at another side, which is how to use colors in French. How do you use colors in French? You know, in French, the color comes after the noun. You see, we have the noun here, which is voiture, then followed by the color. For example, if I want to talk about a bag now, I want to say a black bag. If you look at it in English, for example, let me write it in front here. English say a black bag. You see, if you look at English, you have the color before the noun, which is not the same in French. French, the noun must come, then after we have the color. You know, that's why I created this channel, to help English people to master French very well, because there are a lot of things that are not the same in French, so I'll help you to master those things. Now we are done with how to use colors in French. So with this explanation, I believe somebody can start knowing how to use French color very well in French. Look at this, please. Un sac noir. Un sac is a noun, a bag, then noir in the front. That's what I just did. Now, une robe bleue. So this also is pushing me to this place where you say attention. Attention. Why attention? Bleu. You see, bleu. Look at this. Bleu. But there's E at the end. Why did I put E there? Because it's a feminine. You understand? That's why we say accord des couleurs. Accord des couleurs. French always what? Agree with what? With the noun in color. When you say color, look at this. Colors agree with the noun. What is that agreement? That's what I'm showing here. Look at this, please. Un stylo. Bleu. You see the spelling on the bleu? Because it's a masculine. What is masculine? This un stylo is a masculine noun. So bleu must agree with this noun. Must be the same gender with the noun. You understand? So if the noun is a masculine, the color also must be masculine. There's a topic that I have on my platform that talk about masculine and feminine. That's the gender of nouns. Just try and watch that video. It can also help you. Very, very important. So now when it comes to feminine, we have une voiture. Voiture is a feminine noun. So the color also must be feminine. That's blue. That's why you can see this blue with E here. It's a feminine blue. You understand? Alright, that's it. So you can see there are some expression here. J'aime le rouge. Ma couleur préférée est le bleu. You understand? So those are the expressions. You can take your time and read them. I don't want to take too much time on this. I just want to review those things for you, and I want to keep this paper, that's this PDF, in the comment section. You can download it. You understand? So you can have it and then go through it by yourself. And there, this place, you have questions that you can answer. And don't forget, anytime you answer your question, you want to be sure if the question is correct, you can send it to me. I'll put my email there. You can send it to my email, and then I will get the answer you. So if you have anything that is not clear for you, don't forget to put it in the comment section, and then I will answer you. My name remains Coach Dieudonné. See you again in my next video, where I will teach you a lot of things based on let me show you the topic I want to teach you the next, because everything is organized here. The next topic is this. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. Wow, you see, we are going to be talking about les nombres. You understand? So les nombres is the next topic I'm going to be talking about on this platform. So if you want to know the les nombres, which is numbers in French, don't forget to subscribe, because I drop video every week. And I will not forget to tell you that our live session is every week or so. And check my comment, my description. You see the day we do our live session, so they can be online and then watch it. Thank you so much. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.